On sites using emulsions, equipment is simple and standard in all equipment fleets. The emulsion is applied at its storage temperature, from 20 to 60 degrees Celsius. Its excellent adhesion to rock materials makes it the best binder for tack coats. Its viscosity can be adapted to match applications by varying the bitumen content. A concentrated emulsion containing 69% of bitumen was used on this surfacing site. This prevents pre-break runoff towards the low points of the pavement. For this penetration, a lower concentration of emulsion means that as the solution is more fluid, it will penetrate the aggregate course more completely. On this motorway, the application of microsurfacing enables flexible, rapid execution and lays a very thin, regular, waterproof product. Emulsion makes repair work rapid and safe with no fire or explosion risks. If any emulsion remains in the spreader at the end of the day, it can be used the following day without reheating and without reworking the mix.